Leo, remember when we could barely understand native speakers talking at normal speed?
Yes, I'd catch maybe 30% of what they said and feel frustrated.
Today, we're sharing the exact method that took us from 30% to 90% comprehension.
This isn't magic. It's a systematic approach to training your ear for English.
Let's start with why listening comprehension is so hard.
Reason 1, native speakers use connected speech. Words blend together.
What are you going to do becomes what you're gonna do.
In writing, you see separate words. In speech, everything flows together.
Reason 2, native speakers speak fast and use reductions. Wanna becomes wanna, going to becomes gonna, could have becomes coulda.
These reductions aren't taught in textbooks, but are essential for understanding real English.
Reason 3, different accents, background noise, and unclear pronunciation.
Perfect classroom English doesn't prepare you for real-world listening situations.
So, how do we improve listening comprehension systematically?
Stage 1, extensive listening for gist. Listen to lots of content without focusing on every word.
The goal is understanding the general idea, not every detail.
Watch shows, listen to podcasts, consume content just for enjoyment.
Your ear gradually gets used to the speed and rhythm of English. Do this 30 minutes daily. It's foundation building.
Stage 2, intensive listening with comprehension checks.
Choose a 2 to 3 minute audio clip. Listen once and summarize what you understood.
Then, listen again with transcript. See what you missed.
Listen a third time without transcript. Notice how much more you understand now.
This reveals your specific comprehension gaps.
Do this 15 minutes daily, 3 times per week.
Stage 3, focused listening for specific sounds and words.
Listen to short phrases and try to catch specific words that you usually miss.
Articles, a, an, the, prepositions, in, on, at, function words, these are often hard to hear.
Practice specifically listening for these small words.
Also, practice connected speech patterns. How do want to and wanna sound different?
10 minutes daily of this focused practice sharpens your ear dramatically.
Stage 4, shadowing for active listening.
Listen and repeat immediately, trying to match the speaker exactly.
We covered this in the previous video, but it's crucial for comprehension too.
When you can produce the sounds, you can hear them better.
10 to 15 minutes daily of shadowing trains both listening and speaking.
Now let's discuss content selection for listening practice.
Beginners, choose slow, clear content. ESL podcasts, children's shows, educational videos.
Intermediate, normal speed content with visual support. TV shows with subtitles, YouTube videos where you can see the speaker.
Advanced, audio-only content at native speed. Podcasts, audiobooks, radio.
Gradually increase difficulty as your comprehension improves.
Let's share specific techniques that helped us most.
Technique 1, active prediction. Before someone finishes their sentence, predict what they'll say.
This keeps you engaged and trains your brain to anticipate patterns.
Technique 2, listen to multiple times to the same content.
First, listen for general idea. Second, listen for details. Third, listen for nuances.
Each listen, you understand more deeply.
Technique 3, use English subtitles, not your native language.
English subtitles train your ear to match sounds with written words. Native language subtitles let you ignore the English audio completely.
Technique 4, listen to content you already know in your language.
If you watched a movie in your language, watch it again in English. You already know the story, so you can focus on catching the language.
Let's address common listening struggles.
I understand English in classroom, but not in real life.
Real life has background noise, interruptions, fast speech. You need to practice with real-world audio.
I understand when people speak to me, but not when they talk to each other.
Because people simplify language when talking to learners. Listen to authentic conversations between natives.
I can read English well, but can't understand it spoken.
Reading and listening are different skills. You need dedicated listening practice, not just reading.
I understand individual words, but lose the meaning of sentences.
You're focusing too much on individual words. Practice listening for main ideas and key content words.
Now let's share our listening comprehension journey.
After 3 months of daily listening practice, I understood about 60% of normal conversations.
After 6 months, I was at 80%. After 1 year, around 90%.
The improvement isn't linear. You'll have breakthroughs where suddenly you understand much more.
These breakthroughs are exciting. They prove your practice is working.
Let's give a realistic 90-day listening improvement plan.
Days 1 to 30. Extensive listening 30 minutes daily, plus intensive listening 15 minutes 3 times weekly.
Days 31 to 60, continue extensive listening, plus add shadowing 10 minutes daily.
Days 61 to 90, all of the above, plus challenge yourself with faster or more difficult content.
Track your progress. Test yourself monthly with the same difficulty content and note improvement.
Final encouragement. Listening is a skill that definitely improves with practice.
Unlike grammar or vocabulary, which have limits, listening comprehension can improve infinitely.
Every hour of listening makes you better. It's just practice.
All right, everyone, commit to 30 minutes of English listening today.
Choose content you enjoy so you'll actually do it consistently.
Comment what you're going to listen to.
See you in the next video.
Listen more, understand more.